Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video, you can see we have an issue. The branch is one commit ahead of master. Okay. So I don't even have a pull request. How do I get the new changes? How do I get the new changes to master branch? Okay. For that, guys, go back to Visual Studio Code. Okay. So now, guys, what we'll do, let us add some few commits. Okay. Let me add git add space dot. Okay. This will try to add the new files, and then we can do git commit. We can do git commit -m, added new changes. Okay, click on enter. Now you're in new branch, and your branch is ahead of one commit. Okay, now what we'll do git push origin head to master. It should push the changes to master. Okay. Now let me go back to my browser. Let me reload this. The branch is uploaded with master. Okay. Now let me go back to my master. See, master is also having the same thing and also the new branch. This branch is uploaded with master. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.